Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. This is going to be a quick Mango Seed exclusive video. I may post this one onto YouTube later, I'm not entirely sure, but for now, it's just for you guys before I head out for my workout. Now, I'm pretty excited for this one because I do think it may just pan out like our big wins on Cardano and Kyber Network from, well, just yesterday, right? And those trades we were sitting in for a couple of days as well, right? So we may have to be a little bit patient for this one, just a little bit patient, but very, very clear in validation points, very, very clear validation points. So let's break this down over here. What do we have? Well, we're looking at Vechain Bitcoin on the 4-hour time frame currently, and I do want to give you guys a quick refresher. If you guys do remember, almost a month ago, right, we were looking at Vechain over here and we're discussing on its consolidation on the 1-hour time frame against that major resistance line over here at 106 Satoshi. Okay, it was coming up against monthly and weekly resistance, and we said, hey, it's going to be awfully ambitious of us to look for a break on this major resistance on the 1-hour time frame consolidation. But hey, if it does happen, right? But we broke down. You can see that right away, broke down, and then we got the consolidation that we were looking for, right? We had hypothesized this consolidation a month ago, and that's exactly what we got. Now, we didn't want to be in position for a month, just letting our capital sit there doing nothing. So when were we looking to get in? Essentially after we broke above this region. We've been talking about that too for a while. So that's essentially when I got in, guys, right over here around the 100 to 102 Satoshi zone. Now it does look like it wants to see continuation past this resistance zone over here. 106 to 107, 108 actually is still resistance. We're coming in to test for the second time. And guys, this is pretty much what Cardano did, pretty much what even Kyber Network did. In fact, the Kyber Network chart was a little bit more difficult to trade. We did an in-depth analysis on that one too. Go ahead and check it out if you missed it, guys. But this one is a little bit easier. It is easy. Why? Because we know when we're wrong easier, and it's easier to get out without doubting yourself, right? That's what makes a trade easy. That's what makes a trade stress-free. Now, we know when we get out, right? Essentially, using our theories that we studied in the Mango Seed program, we were looking for the consolidation, a mini downtrend on the lower time frame after an uptrend, up-thrust on the higher time frames, downtrend on the lower time frame, consolidation to be expected. We got that, and then what do we do? Broke the downtrend, start putting in an uptrend like this right over here. You can seeing it, higher highs, higher lows, and now we're seeing continuation. We may see a little bit of a pullback over here to 100 Satoshi, and then continuation. If we see that, great. However, if we see a breakdown, well, we know when to get out. Okay, cool. We discussed our thesis on when we are getting out. We always start with that. Okay, always start with when am I getting out. Now the fun stuff. How exciting is this trade towards the upside? Similar to Cardano, similar to Kyber Network, we were looking at a 25% to 30% win. Those are the wins I'm looking for on all coins. If not, I don't take them at all. And we've been catching many of these, right? Posting them all the time. And what am I looking at for? Actually, let's go ahead and look at the 12-hour time frame. It'll be easier to zoom out. Looking at a good. I have everything marked over here actually, so go ahead and check out the previous Vechain video, but we'll go through it quickly anyways. I want to keep this video short and sweet. Minimum 34% if we break through this level, guys. Minimum 34%. After that, we're looking at possible extension to a 40% move. If we break that as well, we're looking at a nice, another 79% after that, right? So from here, if we see the entire move play out, guys, we're looking at a good 156%. Okay, so we looked at the 12-hour resistance. It's clear by looking at the chart, but let's go ahead and look at the 1 week now. Okay, we're about to close a weekly. Let me go ahead and get the zoom in. Apologies if I'm doing this too fast, guys. I know might be making some of you guys nauseous. Smacking against weekly resistance out over here, guys, so be very, very careful. Where's that weekly resistance coming in at? 106 Satoshi. But to be honest, even if we close somewhere underneath over here, underneath 106 Satoshi, we'll be breaking this major neckline right over here at around 98 Satoshi that we've been consolidating against on the weekly time frame for 1, 2, 3 weeks. Okay, so even a close above here would pretty much just prove to be a buying opportunity at around 98 Satoshi. and then continuation towards the upside, right? So you guys are probably noticing this nice W-like formation coming in right over here, okay? And we have a measured move that we probably took right over here already. Okay, I think I probably took it from here. This is the conservative measured move too. You can probably get a little bit more aggressive with this one. And let's see. Yep, we're looking at a target of around 160 Satoshi, somewhere around here. So that is, I think that's a monthly resistance. We'll go and check in a little bit. So 56% move. If we see the follow through of this inverted Adam and Eve, double bottom, whatever you want to call it, man. The name of the pattern doesn't matter to me. It never will. But yeah. It's looking good. It's looking good. Okay, unless we see a massive rejection and close underneath around 97 Satoshi on the weekly time frame, this is going to be looking really, really good. It'd be really nice if we close about 106 Satoshi on the weekly. That will give us like really easy confirmation. May see a little bit of a starter step somewhere around 120, but that is still a 20% move from here. So okay. Wow, this is looking really good. Now we can go ahead and wrap up the monthly time frame. Again, this is going to be a quick mango seed video. Where's this resistance coming in? That's monthly resistance too. 106 is not resistance to be taken lightly, guys. I'd like to see a daily close above there. Now, remember, I'm already in position at around the 100 SAT level, so I kind of have some leeway to play with, but this coin is a low SAT coin. It may come down quick and hard and fast, so you have to guard against that. Be on the watch out tray, guys. Keep your eyes open. And yeah, where's the next level I'd be looking at if we can close weeklies above this level, about 106? Well, I'll be looking at the monthly resistance at 150 Satoshi, already marked out there, so we can look at a good 40% move, right? From the current price, if you got in when we did it at around 101 Satoshi, we are looking at a good 50% move. So hey, that's only the first step. After that, we are looking at a much bigger target of 200%. But we'll take it one step at a time. My name is Sean Dexter. I'll see you guys in the rest of the day. We'll be doing a few more like these actually throughout the weekend. Let me know if you guys enjoy these kind of short videos. Even if you guys do watch this on YouTube later today, let me know in the comments down below. I'd love to know your thoughts on these quick mango bites. And yeah, see you soon.